Hi Sam. I'm excited for our lesson today. We're going to learn the verb
erhöhen,
Hi Alex.
Erhöhen.
What does that mean?
Great question.
erhöhen,
Generally means to increase or to raise something. It's commonly used in contexts like raising prices or increasing quantities.
Oh, so like when prices go up.
Exactly. That's the most common usage. Just be careful with false friends.
to increase,
And
to enhance,
can confuse some learners.
So, how do you use?
Erhöhen.
In sentences.
Let's look at some conjugations. In the present tense, you say,
ich erhöhe, du erhöhst,
and
erhöht,
for the past tense, it's,
ich erhöhte,
and in the perfect, you say,
ich habe erhöht.
So, if I wanted to say I increased the price, I would say,
Ich habe den Preis erhöht.
absolutely right. And if you want to give a command, you would say,
Erhöhe den Preis.
what about the noun form? Is there a noun related to?
Erhöhen.
yes. The noun form is,
Erhöhung,
which means an increase. It's feminine, so you would say,
die Erhöhung,
its plural is,
die Erhöhungen.
Got it. Is there a trick to remember that it's feminine?
a good hint is that many nouns ending in
ung,
are feminine. You can visualize a rising graph to remember.
Erhöhung,
That's helpful. Where does the word
Erhöhen.
come from?
erhöhen,
Comes from the old High German word,
erhohen,
which means to lift or raise. Over time, it evolved to the modern meaning we use today.
That's really interesting. I didn't know that.
Now, let's break down the word
erhöhen,
into its parts. The prefix often indicates the beginning of a process, while the root
höhen,
means to heighten or raise.
So, putting it together means to start the process of raising something.
Exactly. It's like assembling Lego blocks. You have the prefix, the root, and you create meaning by combining them.
Are there any similar words to
Erhöhen.
Yes. Let's explore some. For example,
vergrößern,
means to enlarge. The prefix
wer,
indicates a change and
größern,
is related to size.
What about others?
Sure. Theirs,
verringern,
meaning to reduce, where
wer,
changes the meaning to the opposite. Or,
erweitern,
which means to expand.
I see the pattern.
Great. There's also,
aufsteigen,
meaning to rise up, and
ansteigen,
meaning to ascend. They all share common prefixes or roots related to movement or change.
How can I use
erhöhen,
in real-life situations?
Let's say at work, you might need to talk about budgets. You could start with,
wir müssen das Budget erhöhen.
wir müssen das Budget erhöhen.
Means we need to increase the budget, right?
exactly. And if you're at the doctor, you might say,
Ich möchte die Dosis erhöhen.
So that means I want to increase the dosage.
yes. And when traveling, you could say,
Könnten Sie den Preis erhöhen für das Zimmer?
Oh, I see. That means, could you raise the price for the room?
great job, Sam. Now, let's practice some memory hints.
What do you mean?
4.
Erhöhung,
Remember the ending as a feminine marker. You can visualize a woman raising her arms high to symbolize an increase.
That's a funny image.
Speaking of usage,
erhöhen,
is generally neutral, but you might want to use it in formal settings, like in business.
What are some common phrases with
erhöhen,
You can say,
die Preise erhöhen, die Dosis erhöhen, die Leistung erhöhen,
just watch out for,
erhöhen,
and,
verringern,
which can be confused because they are opposites.
Can you give me some example sentences?
Sure. For instance,
die Firma hat die Löhne erhöht.
means the company raised salaries. Or,
Die Temperatur erhöht sich.
means the temperature is increasing.
So, like the temperature is rising.
Yes, exactly. Another one is,
Sie haben die Kosten erhöht.
which means they increased the costs.
This is all making sense. Can we do a quick recall check?
Of course. First question, what does
Erhöhen,
mean?
To increase or raise something.
Right. Second question, what's the noun form?
Erhöhung,
Correct. Now, how do you say I increased the price in German?
ich habe den Preis erhöht.
Perfect. What's the imperative form?
Erhöhe den Preis.
Yes. Last question, what prefix do you find in?
erhöhen.
Fantastic, Sam. You've done an amazing job today. The key takeaway is that
erhöhen,
Means to increase or raise, and it's useful in many contexts.
Thanks, Alex. I really enjoyed learning about this word.
I'm glad to hear that. Keep practicing, and you'll master it in no time.